Hi everyone, it's What Are You Making Wednesday? So we are in full-fledged holiday mode, and I don't know about you, but I definitely haven't been eating as well as I should be. We made cookies on Friday, and I've definitely had more than one cookie every single day since then, and substituted it for some meals. But because we don't usually have cookies like this on hand, so it's so hard not to eat them, and they taste so good. We just had a fantastic roller class, and just so happened we had Angelo's holiday party today, and he was asking for this roller when we got home, and I noticed it was almost empty, so we're going to make a new one. We're making a roller that is great for tummies. So in this roller, I use DJI's. Because this is one you definitely want to have on hand. It does come in the premium starter kit. It's in the littler bottle size, and it's in the Vitality white label, and saying that you can use that for digestive support. So this is great to have on hand for tummies. And then the next one is Copaiba. Hi, Melissa. Copaiba also comes in the kit. This is also great, like, for everything in your body. So I love to add this to all of my rollers. It's also great for tummies as well. So then I have peppermint, which is also fantastic for digestion and all that kind of stuff. So we have that here as well. And then this is not in the premium starter kit. It's lemongrass. This is one of the first oils I got outside of the kit because it smells wonderful. It has a ton of uses. I love to use this on my dryer balls because it's a very fresh, clean scent, and it's very low cost. It's like less than $12 for the larger bottle size. So this is a great one to have on hand. It also kind of helps mask the smell of the DJI's. Does not smell great. So essential oils are not, a lot of them smell wonderful, and we use them for their scent, but the main purpose of using essential oils is because of their therapeutic benefits. So there are some oils that may not smell very good, but we want to use for their therapeutic benefit. This is one of those. But what you can always do with an oil that you don't like the smell of as much is pair it with ones that you do like to mask the smell, as long as they're kind of on the same wavelength of what they're supporting and what they're helping. So knowing that all of these are great for digestion, we're going to put them in a roller together. So I'm going to add 10 drops of DJI's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you are just starting out on oils, you do not want to be putting 10 drops in your roller. You're going to probably want to cut the roller amounts in half and then work up to it as you see needed. The next one we're going to put in is peppermint, and we're only going to put 8 drops of peppermint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then lemongrass, we're also going to do 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the last one is Copaiba. And I would add that normally to my tummy roller. That's why I wanted to talk about it and share it. However, I only have a few drops left. So I'm going to save it in case I need it for something else right now. And when my order comes, I will add the Copaiba in. But knowing that Copaiba usually comes in this because it's great for digestion. So four oils, 3 of them are in the kit, 1 is not. But if you don't have it and you're like, oh, I want to make this, but I only have the premium starter kit, that's fine. Use what you have. You can always add an oil later, or just try it out the way it is, and it definitely will work. It's not that it won't work. So, all right, and then we're just going to add our carrier oil. Carrier oils, remember, are cooking oils that you can get in your grocery store. This is grapeseed oil. It's one I use often, or I'll use like a liquid coconut oil. You can even use organic olive oil if that's all you have on hand, or even some people prefer it. It's totally fine. The only thing you don't want to use is like a a vegetable oil that you're getting at the store, because that's kind of like a lower grade oil, and then you're pairing that with, you know, like the best essential oil. So it's kind of going to lower what's in it. It's not going to be as high premium. So you want to try and pair it with a higher quality carrier oil as well, if that makes sense. Okay, so that is all. Just using a little pipette. These come with the rollers. Usually I get my rollers from Amazon. Just Prime is my best friend. So that's it. You just pop it in, and it's a little bit. So, all right. So there you go. See, I get the metal rollers so that they just roll, and see, it's already coming out on my finger. It rolls really nice and easy. And then what you would do for the tummy roller is roller it clockwise around your belly button, rub it in to help digestion. If you are having trouble going to the bathroom, do it counterclockwise to help things get moving, if you know what I mean. Okay, so clockwise, roller on the tummy. Definitely want to have this on hand, especially during the holidays, and we're eating so many things that, you know, we shouldn't be eating, but it tastes so good. All right, I hope you guys have a great Wednesday, and I will see you next week. Bye.